Hi, I am Rishi of Great Tech. Today I am going to present a concept from artificial intelligence. The concept name is explain. I am going to explain some real life applications using Python. Next slide. What first you are going to see generally what is meant by Python. Python is a high level programming language. It is also known as interpreted language. Or it is an open source data and it is easy to read and program. Next slide. Now we are going to see some applications of Python. First, generally, Python is applied in web development, software development, data access, game development, 3D graphics, network programming, education, desktop applications, etc. Next slide. Now we are going to see how it is used in image processing and graphic design application. Python has been used to make 2D images, software such as Landscape, GIMP, and for Point Shop Pro and Scribus. Further, it is also used in as 2D image, as it is used in 2D imaging software. It is also used in 3D animation packages like Blender, 3ds Max, Cinema 4D, etc. Using these may also used by Python in variable proportions. Next we are going to see how it is used in games. Python has various modules, platforms and libraries that support development of a game. For example, PySaw is a 3D game that is done with the Python that is done with the supporting Python 3, and Pygame provides functionality and a library for the game development. Next, there have been numerous games built using Python including Civilization 4, Disney's Town Online, etc. Next slide. Now we are going to see what are the other applications, other Python applications. There are some major applications which, apart from what we have discussed in the previous slide, that is, it is also used in console based applications, applications for images, applications for videos and audios, and enterprise application and 3D CAD applications. Next, it is also used in computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, robotics, artificial intelligence, web scraping, scripting, data analysis, etc. Next slide. Thank you. I hope so you might have understand this concept clearly.